Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore the world of false ceiling design and how it can transform your space into something truly spectacular. Whether you are looking to add a touch of elegance to your living room or create a cozy ambiance in your bedroom, we have got some fantastic ideas for you. So let's get started. Let's talk about tray ceilings. Tray ceilings are a popular choice for adding depth and dimension to a room. They feature a recessed center portion that can be left plain or adorned with molding, lighting, or even a pop of color. You can customize your tray ceiling to suit your style, whether you prefer a simple and steady look or something more ornate or dramatic. And the best part, tray ceiling can make a room feel larger and more spacious, making them perfect for smaller spaces. Comfort ceilings. Comfort ceiling add a touch of old world charm and elegance to any space. They feature a series of recessed panels or beams that create a grid-like pattern on the ceiling. You can customize the size and shape of the panel to create a look that's uniquely yours. Comfort ceiling work particularly well in formal living rooms, dining rooms, or home offices, adding an architectural interest and sophistication to the space. Now, let's talk about adding drama with lighting. False ceiling provides the perfect opportunity to incorporate hidden lighting fixtures like recessed lights or LED strips. These fixtures can be strategically placed to highlight the architectural details or create a soft ambient glow. You can also add pendant lights or chandeliers for a more thematic effect. Just be sure to choose fixtures that complement the overall style of your space and provide the right amount of light for the room. These false ceiling design ideas inspiring? If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.